The world is moving fast. We live in an age where we're always connected and information is overflowing. Sometimes, this can be overwhelming and keep you from reaching your maximum potential. Introducing the Octify Specs, the first smart glasses that can track and improve your productivity. From the Specs companion app, you can select which activities you'd like to focus on, so that Specs can help you eliminate time-consuming distractions. Specs use patent-pending computer vision algorithms and pulse oximetry to track your activities throughout the day and help you identify bottlenecks in your focus. And after you've completed your session of focused work, you can review a summary of your productivity levels to pinpoint exactly where you can boost your efficiency. Not only do Specs help you with your career goals, but they can also motivate you to reach your untapped potential in personal development using proven methods in psychology. Take part in clinically tested mindfulness training sessions to evaluate how you think your time would be best spent, and put it towards the hobbies you forget to enjoy. Or maybe you have an idea that you need to get out, but social media is draining your creativity. When your attention drifts, Specs will alert you with an LED and audible cue so you can redirect your efforts to the task at hand. Listen to high-quality music with integrated bone-conducting sound transducers. With nothing in or around your ears, you can stay fully aware. Unlike traditional speakers that emit sound through the air, bone conduction transducers allow you to stream audio that only you can hear. With a built-in accelerometer and pulse oximeter, Specs can automatically detect when you're active so you won't miss a second of your workout. Track steps taken, heart rate, and even calories burned with nothing but your glasses. Specs can even act as a fully functioning headset. You can take calls, speak to your virtual assistant, and get directions on the go. Specs are made for both prescription and non-prescription wearers. Their minimalist design makes them completely indistinguishable from regular frames so they can seamlessly integrate into your life. Octify Specs help you get the most out of your day, so you can focus on the things that really matter.
As engineering students, we saw a lot of our peers struggling with stress and procrastination. Over 25% of students rely on harmful stimulants to focus better, and it's not because they lack the intelligence, knowledge, or even work ethic to be successful in their field. It's because there's so many distractions in this day and age that hold us back from reaching our full potential. We built Specs to give you the ability to overcome these challenges so that you can exceed all of your personal goals.
We've developed novel machine learning models that can accurately track and detect a wide variety of activities throughout the day using an image sensor and a pulse oximeter. Specs use these sensors to extract data from your environment and your physiology, which makes it the most versatile focus tracking method on the market. This data is securely transmitted over Bluetooth to your phone, where you'll be able to use it to measure and improve your progress. And because privacy is of the utmost importance, we've specifically designed our system architecture so that all of the data processing is done on your phone's hardware. We don't use any external servers, so your sensor data never actually leaves your device and is discarded immediately after processing. This way, it would be impossible for anyone to access your information without physically breaking into your phone and decrypting it.
We've validated our methodology with expert neuroscientists and psychiatrists. Specs help you improve self-awareness by giving you a breakdown of how you spent your time throughout the day and providing personalized insights to help you mitigate distractions. Not only that, but Specs also give you real-time feedback to help you manage stress, boost productivity, and stay focused. Mindfulness training is one of the top clinically proven methods in treating stress and addictive behaviors. We've taken mindfulness training and applied it to your everyday life to help you overcome the urges that lead to procrastination and distractions. Specs also utilize other proven techniques such as positive reinforcement, gamification, and mental conditioning so that you can be sure that you're always spending time on the things that you value the most.
One of the main reasons why smart glasses haven't reached mass adoption yet is because they don't look like regular glasses. We spent the last year designing, redesigning, and rigorously testing our circuitry so that we could fit all of our sensors into an extremely compact package. As a result, we've been able to make Specs look completely indistinguishable from regular glasses frames.
Your time is extremely valuable. On average, people spend 5 to 6 hours on social media and TV every day. At minimum wage, that equates to over $10,000 per year.
Productivity means something different to everyone, and regardless of your background, interests, or aspirations, Specs are there to help you get the most out of your life.